Hello everyone and welcome to keySkillset. Our platform provides you with hands-on training that boosts your confidence and skills better. And today I'm going to show you how on our PowerPoint speed course. So starting with the first module, commonly used hotkeys, and the first submodule, speed up with hotkeys, I'm going to start with the first task by clicking on this button right here. So I'm just going to follow the instructions shown on the screen and going to click on enter on my keyboard. So that was the first task. Now to insert slide, I'm going to press on Control, Shift, and M. That should do it. Now I can press on any key. Going to press on enter again. That's it. And moving on now to the third task and so on and so forth. After finishing with all these tasks, you are expected to perform a keySkillset IQ, which will allow you to track exactly how efficient you become. So by the end of this program, you can expect to at least double your skill level. Now I'm going to go back to our main course to show you the last part of our program. Once you have done all of these modules and submodules tasks, you have the final part, which is the case study. In order to complete the course and gain a certificate, you have to go through all the modules as shown previously and score 65% on the final case study module, which is as close as it gets to a real-world scenario. So in short, our platform will stop you from making mistakes and teach you the most important functions you will need to thrive in your role.